Guys, so this was actually my last day when I'm giving you lot a house tour, right? So yeah, that's the living room. Turn left, there's a room on the right, bathroom straight ahead. But we're heading straight into my room. This is, as you lot can see, look, there's still work to be done. So this house isn't 100% complete. So still work to be done here. But this is what we got so far. You lot can see it's a smart TV right there, the suitcase right there. You got the fan now. Look, the reason we got fans is these mosquitoes, man. We got a TV right there. Yeah, the big smart TV right there. You know what I'm saying? Literally, man. You can see I got my cap. Just a little few essentials. The dupe. Make sure you lot smelling nice. Link below. That's obviously my suitcase, my belt, and the little thing you put around your neck. You never know what you actually call them. My jacket. Yeah, just few essentials, man, that I'm gonna be needed when I'm back in the UK. You know what I'm saying? That's the fit I'm probably gonna wear when man's about to cut back to the UK. My bag, and then yeah, the smart TV remote right there, the jewelry there too, and that's just about it, man. You got YouTube, Netflix on there, all of that. But yeah, now to the left is the room. Now this is room number 3 actually, because we already saw one before. That's a few images of the room. That's the bed. Oh, that bed is so big, fam. But yeah, I'm afraid I couldn't go around the back and show you lot around the back, around the outside. But if you stay along on the video, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is room number 2, guys. This ain't even my room, but this is room number 3. I keep saying 2. Like, what's going on, bro? But yeah, man, that's the room number 3. Still, this one's very more spacey, as there's a bathroom in this one as well. The bathroom's literally outside, so yeah, man. But like I said, like, nothing's fully done yet. There's still a lot more to do. So this is just you lot seeing it. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. That's the bed, pillows. But I can't, like, the one thing I would say, the beds over there are really high. Like, they're high beds. So it's one of them ones where you just gotta jump on it, and it's like you're not jumping low, you're jumping up high, bro. So it's one of them. But I'm just showing you lot the outside. You know what I'm saying? Showing a lot of the bed right now because I want you lot to really take in. Like, imagine just jumping up on that bed. Like, you're jumping pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. But we move now. So over here is actually a garage, but unfortunately, as you lot can see, the key, right? We ain't got the key. That's the lock. We ain't got the key. I ain't got the key. I don't know where they put the key, but I can't show you lot the garage right now. But in there is the garage. Next time you lot will see the garage, you know what I'm saying? But as of now, man, can't really show that. You get me? Cool. Now we're heading downstairs. Now look, come downstairs with me right now. Come along downstairs. Start walking. Come along. Alright, cool. Now to the left, there's a room straight ahead right there. But these used to actually be upstairs. So remember at the intro, when I walked through, I showed you lot, these used to be upstairs. But we said, you know what? You lot can go downstairs because we got our new things upgraded. You know what I'm trying to say? That's just the essentials and that, you know what I'm saying? You know, essentials, open, shut. Simple like that. But then yeah, this is the kitchen, man. Look at the space, bro. Like, man can run a 100-meter sprint right now, you know. Like, it's really like that. I could get on my knees, on your marks, get set, and me and you could literally have a race right now. That's look at the length of that. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty good, man. Like, we could do a 100-meter sprint right there. But yeah, very spacey, very spacey. Let me know what you lot think in the comments about that, man. Let me know. And then cool out here. If I open the door, there we go. Bust open the door, bust a right, and this is the washroom. This is where all of the clothes get washed in this donya. You know what I'm saying? That's where all of the clothes get washed. The washing machine's over there, and yeah, man. This is just the part where when I wash some clothes, you come down there. You know what I'm saying? To get your clothes all washed up and that. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you lot from before. This was in our room number 3 actually. But yeah, 2 rooms have this actually, where you can just take your view from outside. You know what I'm saying? Taking it in. A very different side to the world. Not gonna lie, very different. And it's quite spacey as well. Like, you can literally do a whole 200-meter sprint around here. You can literally just run from there all the way back around. When I'm about to flip this around, but yeah, look, you can walk down here, then you can even still go down, but this is currently locked. But if I wanted to open it, I could open it, go down, and yeah. But look, you can literally do a whole 100 meters 4x100 relay right here, like literally. Just taking in the view. Look, you can literally do a relay, look, and then you just bust a right, and you're good. Like, but seriously though, I like the length. The length is very good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, look, zoom in on that view. Yeah, man.